Welcome to our channel where we dive into solving common cash app payment issues effortlessly and effectively. Welcome to our channel where we dive into solving common cash app payment issues effortlessly and effectively. If you've been trying to send money but your payment isn't going through, don't worry. We will walk you through the exact steps to fix this and get your transactions flowing smoothly. First, ensure your internet connection is stable since Cash App requires a strong, uninterrupted connection for processing payments. If your connection is weak or dropping, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Next, verify that your Cash App is up to date. Open your App Store and check for any available updates for the Cash App. Running an outdated version can cause transaction issues. Third, check your payment method linked to Cash App. Go to the banking section of your app and review whether your debit card, credit card, or bank account details are correct and current. An expired card or incorrect bank info can block payments. Fourth, verify the recipient information is correct, including their cash tag, phone number, or email address. Double-checking this prevents failed payments caused by sending funds to the wrong account. Fifth, review your Cash App balance or linked bank account balance to confirm you have enough funds for the payment. Insufficient funds will naturally prevent the transaction from processing. Sixth, if you have set up any spending limits or recently changed security settings, ensure they are not restricting the payment. Sometimes fraud protections or daily limits can accidentally block your transactions. Seventh, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes Cash App needs a fresh start to clear out minor bugs that interfere with payments. Eighth, restart your mobile device to reset network connections and app performance, which can fix underlying issues causing payment failures. Ninth, if none of these steps work, consider unlinking and relinking your payment method in the Cash App settings. This can refresh the connection between your funding source and the app. Finally, if your payment is still not going through after all these steps, contact Cash App support through the app to investigate further and resolve any account-specific problems. Following these steps systematically should help you identify and fix the reason your Cash App payment is not going through. Taking the time to troubleshoot will lead to smoother transactions and peace of mind using the app. If this guide helped you fix your payment issue, or if you have other Cash App problems you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment and share your experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tech guides and tips to make your mobile finance experience effortless and reliable.